Hello, and today we have a very special episode of Jim's Bedtime Book Club. It's both a unboxing and a first impressions and a reading. So hopefully I can get it all in one take. Let's see how it goes. Not so much a box as an envelope. So let's see. Don't want to damage the book, so. And they shoved it into the mailbox, and it only just barely fit, and it only just barely fits in this envelope. Oh, comes right out. And today's book is Mr. Wuffles. And this will be my first time reading of it, so first impressions. Mr. Wuffles by David Wiesner. Yeah. And there's nothing printed on the back. And I begin. okay, I sort of liked it. So, Mr. Wuffles, it's available online, but you really ought to buy a copy for yourself and for the kids. To be honest, it's not a good book for reading to children. There's not that much of dialogue. It's almost entirely pictures. So I guess it's a good show kids the pictures and ask them what they think is happening in that picture sort of book. So I guess that makes it a little bit more interactive. So thank you, and we'll see if there's going to be any future Jim's Bedtime Book Clubs in the future. Probably not. Thank you.